Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today we're going to show you guys a brand new inventory piece that just showed up from Scout Boats. This is a 240 Dorado. This is a 2023 model. We've got it with the full hardtop in shark gray, and as well as equipped with the max horsepower, the Mercury 300 Dorado. We've got that in the black with the new Seakeeper ride system. So this is a new technology from Seakeeper. So it takes place of the traditional trim tab system to give you that stabilization factor that you've seen from the traditional gyro stabilizer. So feel free to check that out. We're going to take a step on the inside. I love the 240s for the huge platform across the back. Easy access even with the engine up from docking or from the sandbar setup. We've got this one equipped with a ski tow. Freshwater washdown and raw water washdowns are right here in the back. As we step through the walk-through transom here, you'll notice an open, inviting cockpit, whether you're fishing or entertaining. You can quickly flip this to an aft seat. Flip out the port lounger. Now we've got a great, comfortable seat. I'm 6 foot for reference. Cup holders that are lit as well. This also doubles as a insulated cooler box underneath. Pull out transom seat to create that lounge system. We have a glove box here, charging ports, sink, cutting board, as well as our slide out 35 quart Yeti. So that's on a sliding track, whether it's heavy or empty. In-gunner rod storage on the starboard side. Moving forward, we'll flip this lounge back over. And we'll switch this forward bucket seat and create the dinette. So a great little seat. This seat slides forward or backwards. And you can pop that Corian table down, stored. And then you have a captain's chair. Again, slides forward or backward. Charging ports in front of it with cell phone storage slot. Cup holders throughout. We have our digital helm here. You'll see it's a nice, clean, simple setup. All black with acrylic inlaid 9-inch Garmin. We have our Mercury display for our engine data, our Fusion for our stereo, as well as JL audio speakers throughout. So we have the JL speakers throughout the cockpit and as well as into the bow. We have charging ports inside the glove box here. And then we have the new actual throttle for Mercury Marine. So it includes our active trim. So we got our active trim button there, throttle only, push button start and stop right there. Moving forward, we have a traditional flip windshield you'd expect on a dual console. This is easily removed for summer months if we don't want to see that there. And it actually stores just underneath in our head compartment. So we've got our boat cover there. But we have a storage right here in the back, and then as well as a sink down below there. Porcelain head with holding tank. We'll close that up. We have systems access underneath our helm here. So easy access to our systems panel, as well as battery switch. Freshwater valve system there. We have an onboard charger on this particular boat. Slide this back, show you the nose real quick, rather than putting that away. So we've got the bow filler in this particular boat, and we've got it set up. So big open bow area, armrest, cup holders up front, as well as just behind me here. Convenient safety rail, dedicated anchor storage up in front, as well as the optional rod holder, cup holder system in the front here. If you guys like this boat, please feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name is Dotson Guys from MarineMax here in Charleston. Thank you for watching.